Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 27th of October. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and celebrity tarot reader. Capricorn, let us go ahead into your reading. I almost closed down everything, pack up, and then saw that I only did 11 readings and not 12. Why? I don't know. Let's go. This is your compatibility relationship spread, Capricorn. Let's go. So let's see what your desire. Ooh, your desire is to be a police officer. I'm getting the Chariot, or I'm getting a Cancer. I'm getting you want police officer, or you're with him, her, something about this police officer, Capricorn. Their desires is the Emperor. Yeah, I'm getting somebody higher. I'm getting you want, okay. So you want one policeman, them want one Emperor. I'm getting someone wants to be in power. That's the first thing. I'm kind of getting if somebody is with you, them gain power. I don't know who you are, but I'm getting your boyfriends and the boy and the man where they're with you, them gain access to something that gives them power. Something like that. Maybe you don't know this. Maybe it was something a secret in your family. That all the men them who they date the girls and get access to something, but the girls did not know about this, something like that. But I'm getting, is it that you want to deal with one Chariot, you want to one Cancer police officer or this business owner, maybe somebody high ranking. What's the theme? The Five of Cups. I'm getting disappointment though, so I'm getting you can't be with them for some reason, or I'm getting you have two choices. Either you're gonna deal with the Emperor or you're gonna deal with the Cancer. So I'm getting you like a Cancer, but the Emperor like you. So I'm getting you have two choices. This police officer or this older businessman. Your challenges is the Hierophant, yeah. I'm getting. You want two of them? Now I don't know why an Emperor would share this woman. I don't know why this Cancer would have shared this woman too. But I'm getting your challenge is commitment. So is it that you don't want to commit to any one of them because you want to enjoy both of them, or I'm getting you're going to have to choose. You want a policeman or you want the Emperor man? Because one of them is going to be disappointed. So is it that you're going to disappoint the Emperor or you disappoint this Cancer, the police officer, the Chariot man? I don't know who it is. Emotional compatibility is the Page of Pentacles. I'm getting someone's young though, immature. Now, if it's not young and immaturity, it could be somebody don't have a lot of baggage. When you get them as they are. You don't have to deal with no baby, you don't have to deal with no baby mother. Maybe you're dealing with stalking exes. Maybe you're going to deal with exes of the person. Because I'm getting one person is going to be disappointed based on who you choose. So maybe you're going to have a jealous ex stalking you that's dying for you to take them back, and they're telling the whole world, and they're paying people, they're doing everything, and them spend so much money and you still not take them back. Maybe them should get the money. Maybe them should come to you, don't even shut the fuck up, and all this money that them use to pay other people, them should just do this and give it to you. Maybe if them think that's smart, somebody might have a mental illness. Yeah, maybe if them never think. And remember, people, your psychologists can be mentally ill. Your social workers can have mental illness. So mental illness is not something that's prejudice, and it doesn't discriminate. So remember, never judge a book by its cover. And mental illness is something that you cannot tell the signs. So just be more vigilant, people. Sometimes you guys have doctors who are mentally ill and you don't know. When the doctors are taking medication for schizophrenia, and the social workers is taking medication for personality disorder. You should know this. Anyways, let's go. So yeah, me getting you don't have no baggage. You're not a baby mother drama. You're not a baby. You're not tied to no man. Maybe the man that try to tie you, but you're not tied to no man. So I'm getting, yeah, that's the emotional compatibility. I'm also getting you young too. So maybe somebody might not believe that you are as serious as a 45-year-old wife with 3 kids. Nevertheless, Me getting you don't want no relationship will hold you down or tie you down or feel like weight. If the relationship feels weighty, you don't want it. That's why you try to keep it on the Page of Pentacles basis. It don't too serious, right? Your physical compatibility is the King of Pentacles. So me getting emotionally, somebody is... Me getting, not immaturity, but me getting someone might come across as a pushover. They're not. Them just make it the way you want to. I'm getting this person is not possessive, them not jealous, them not controlling. You already had a choice to make over here and you chose them. Now you're over here, so nobody never tell you what to wear, what to do, how, like nobody never control you. Like, it's fine. The physical compatibility though is somebody have money. So somebody might be a young, rich guy. Or me getting you're rich so you don't really stress yourself out. And it come across, you have this youthful mentality. Your mental compatibility is a King of Cups. Mentally, you're very emotional. Physically, me getting, maybe you have a little weight on you, right? This could be anywhere between 190 to 250 pounds. But me getting you have a lot of money. Me getting you very laid back. Me getting the only thing you're asking for is commitment, but the girl have to choose. You want a policeman or you want the emperor man? Actually, I'm going to see which one you're going to choose, to be honest. Let me see which one you're going to choose. The Chariot is clarified by the Ace of Wands, the Eight of Wands, and the Emperor is clarified by the Knight of Wands. Oh my, both of them. Me getting the Cancer, I try to talk to you. But the Emperor will get to you for both, like, both, yeah. Me getting a blood clot, two of them. Me getting, I don't know if you're currently talking to the Cancer, or me getting back and forth with the Cancer, but me getting the Emperor move fast. Me getting the Emperor is moving faster than the Cancer. Me getting the police, maybe the police officer is waiting 2 to 3 days for a background check. Sir, you is a blood clot police officer, sir. You don't need to wait on blood clot background check. Enjoy the girl, see, and if the girl commit a crime, you lock her the fuck up. You want background check. Background check don't mean shit. Look how much people is first time sex offenders. Look how much people is first time rapers. You want background check. Background check not gonna tell you nothing other than the fact that he was once in prison, so we don't want him in our establishment. So maybe I just need to ask, have you ever been incarcerated? Police have a whole lamp on your fingerprint here? They never. No police has ever fingerprinted me, and I have never been in handcuffs since I've been in Canada. Since I've been in Canada, I have never put handcuffs on. I don't know what handcuffs feel like. Since I've been in Canada, I've never went to a police station before since my day. Since my day, I never go in front of somewhere and take a picture so, and then use it. Never. Since my day, I never do fingerprinting. Ever. Only one time I ever do fingerprinting, and when I do my police reporting in Jamaica for them to give me clearance for come to Canada. Otherwise, Canada don't have my fingerprints. You have a paw print. Paw Patrol. It's a Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol, right? Anyways, again, Mr. Botono racing to the person, but when getting the Emperor move faster, I'm gonna clarify one more time again to say we have the Ace of Pentacles. But oh, here's how you win. You have to think young. You can't think like an old man. Because the Emperor is coming to you fast. The Emperor is going to block anybody who's trying to come to you, or the Emperor will block you. So the Emperor is a tyrant. You see the police officer man now where you do it, he might give you money. The Emperor not gonna give you no money. The Emperor has a lot of money, but him don't go around giving people money. I'm getting somebody know them have to play unfair for win you. Cause I'm getting them talk to you, but the Emperor move faster. Cause somebody have way, so the Emperor have more resources. I'm getting in a race, the Emperor gonna win you, but you're gonna outsmart. You're going to use the Emperor's fear against him. The Emperor, the old businessman, him afraid to give young girl money. You're going to have to use that fear against him. Make it think you're gonna offer the girl money. You're a police officer. You're supposed to be offering legal advice as to how the fuck to get out of this ticket. That's what you're supposed to be offering, right? Make it think you're gonna offer the girl money. And that's why you're going to outsmart the Emperor. The Emperor might even come to you and say, no, that's not a part of the deal. She's supposed to get to know both of us fair and square. You can't be offering, that's bribery. Me getting a no. I saw you go win, right, police? When you know about payroll, right? When you know about when a man committing a crime and they don't want to go to prison, they just give you a couple of $100 through the car window, right? And you just take it and fold it up and pretend nothing never happened and walk off, right? Me getting a payroll that you're gonna use. What you call it? What you call when you give police officer money so they're gonna lock you up? What you call it? Extortion? Extortion, yeah. Me getting an extortion around this. So me getting the emperor, me getting if the emperor get this, the emperor don't even miss it. But the emperor not gonna get it. Because I'm older than you, I'm wiser than you, can control you. You don't need money. What you need money for? You're eating? Yes, okay, fine. That's it. You don't need no money. You don't need fucking Dove soap. You don't need that. You get in the chariot, know what you want. Chariot knows say you want money. And him knows so the emperor now get the money because the emperor's scared to give money to women him don't know. He's not scared to torment them life, but he's scared to give them money. Me getting you not. And that's how you use and fuck them. Me getting you won't get a chance to fuck the bitch before the emperor does, all because you were willing to pay. So apparently that's what it came down to. Who pay money? Ah! This is how you're going to get outsmart. Money is real. I'm sorry. It's over and the empress. Yeah. Me getting you catch the empress. You can get her money. So you go fuck her first. We have witch doctor, and we also have, who is this? Virgo. One more. We have third eye. We have one way, and we have a celebrity. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye, Capricorn.